Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Soji Gray, and welcome to another episode of the Device Hub. If this is the first time you're here on the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you'll be updated instantly. Well, in this video, I'll be sharing with you two amazing setups built on top of the Niagara Pro launcher. I really love Niagara, and I did go ahead to get the Niagara Pro because it does have some quirks and features like giving you the ability to change the font so you can install third-party fonts. Also, it has this amazing weather widget, which is a must-have. So I really love Niagara Pro, and I was able to design two amazing setups. I'm going to be sharing it with you. So without talking so much, let's jump into it. The first setup I call Contrasty because I really love the contrast in the wallpaper I use in the setup, and it has a white background at the top and a very dark looking background at the bottom, because I did this so that I would have this really nice contrast between the widget and the icons at the bottom. So with the widget, I used the Waffle KWGT widget called 115, and it's an amazing widget. It tells us the number of notifications we have, our remaining battery capacity, the time, the day, and the date, and this really text heavy format, which looks very amazing. Originally, this widget has white font, but I had to change it to black font so that it's kind of fits the white background. So it really looks perfect. It really looks nice. The icon pack I used in the setup is from Sliced Icon Pack. Sliced Icon Pack has colorful, amazing looking icons. One of my favorite icon packs out there. If you're a follower on this channel, you'd probably notice that I talk about Sliced Icon Pack a lot on my channel. I really love them. And all in all, the setup looks pretty darn cool, especially with the product sign bold italic font. It makes it come to life. I really love the contrast look, and it's something you can rock on your device now. And remember that I'm going to leave everything down in the description section where you can get everything to download to replicate the same look. So make sure to check the description below to get access to all those assets. Now let's move on to the second setup. The second setup has an absolutely stunning live wallpaper from Aerial Wallpapers. I really love this particular live wallpaper because it has this really nice car moving, upwards. It looks amazing. It blew my mind. I thought it really matches this setup. Also, the widget I chose has this gradient, square, circle vibe, and it's really bold, right in your face. It was deliberate, and I like the way it looks. It gives you details such as the day, date, and the time in a very gradient-like look, which is amazing. And this widget is from Rainbow KWGT, and it is called the RB045. Now, I really love the icons as well. The icons are from Groovy Icon Pack, and this is like very gorgeous square core icons with really thought through gradient touch. And this setup is pretty simple. It has large emphasis on the live wallpaper. If you are someone who really wants to show off your wallpaper, this is the kind of setup you must have on your home screen. And I have no regret at all. I feel it looks amazing. However, let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. I'm curious to know your opinion about these two setups, which one you're really digging and which one you're not really digging. Let me know in the description section down below. Also, with setup 2, you're going to find all the assets and the links in the description section, so make sure to check it out. And that's that for this video. If you do have any comments, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing because it does help the channel. It does help support the existence of this channel. And if you're already subscribed, why don't you just leave a like, comment, or even share the videos, because it really does help the channel a lot. And I'll catch you in the next video, and peace out.